In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Blob storage in Microsoft Azure. We'll take a step-by-step journey through the Azure portal, making sure you have all the information you need to set up your Blob storage efficiently. To begin, you'll want to sign into the Azure portal. This is your command center for all things Azure, and having the credentials ready beforehand will save you time. Once you're logged in, redirect your attention to the left-hand menu. Alternatively, you can use the search bar located at the top to find what you're looking for. Type in Storage Accounts. Once the option appears, click on it, and you'll find yourself on a page listing all your existing storage accounts. Now let's create a new storage account, which is a prerequisite for having Blob storage. Near the top of the page, you should see a plus Create button. Give that a click, and we'll be on our way to setting things up. You'll now be faced with a form that asks for several key pieces of information. First up is the subscription. This is essentially picking which Azure subscription you want to use. It's like choosing which wallet you want to pay with. Select the appropriate one, and then move on to the resource group. Here, you can choose from existing groups, which can help you better organize your resources. But if you need something new, simply click Create New and assign a name that makes sense for your project. Next, you'll need to create a storage account name. This needs to be globally unique across Azure, meaning you'll have to get creative. Remember to use only lowercase letters and numbers. Special characters are a no-go here. Choosing the right region or location for your storage is crucial. Ideally, it should be as close to your user base as possible to ensure optimum performance. Moving down the list, you'll need to consider the performance, redundancy, and access tier settings. These options are about how robust and quick you want your storage to be, and are tailored to suit different needs. For example, standard or premium for performance, and LRS or GRS for redundancy, which dictates how your data is replicated. The access tier will determine how frequently accessed your data is. Hot is for more frequent access, while cool is for less frequent use. Finally, take a moment to review other optional settings if they are relevant to your project. These encompass networking, data protection, encryption, and tags. Once you've made all your selections and feel confident in your setup, click on Review plus Create. Azure will give you a short overview of your choices. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Create button. Congratulations! You've just set up Blob storage in Microsoft Azure, ready to store your vast arrays of data securely in the cloud.